channel. Today we are going to make South Indian crab curry. To make crab curry we need 500 grams of crab, 2 large onions chopped, 1 small tomato chopped, grounded coconut, 1 spoon fennel, 1 spoon black pepper, some green chilies and curry leaf. Add spices like turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. First step, we are going to make a paste using coconut, fennel and black pepper. Going to pour some water. We have made this like a paste. We are going to start making the curry. Now let's pour 2 spoons of oil. And 1 spoon of mustard and the curry leaves and the chilies. We are going to add the onions. The onions are sauteed. Now we are going to add the tomato. We are going to add some salt so the onion and tomato will cook some faster. I'm going to add the spices. 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon chili powder, and 1.5 spoon dhania powder. We are going to sprinkle some water so the masala mixes evenly. Going to add the crab. The crab is actually blue crab. Oh, let's mix it. Now let's add the coconut mixture. And now let's mix. It's mixed well, and now you can taste it, and if you need more salt you can add more salt. And now you need to pour some water and close it with the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and we're going to open the lid and keep turning it for 5 minutes. This is blue crab. When it is in heat, it will turn into red crab. That's why it's red. Now we have finished finished our South Indian crab curry. Now we are going to plate it and garnish it. It smells yummy. Our crab curry is ready. It's so yummy. We finished our South Indian crab curry. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon. And please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.